So it is the day before Memorial Day Sunday. A little chilly today. I guess 60s, high 60s. So we're out here at Rattling Run Road, I believe.
Trail.
State game, or Rattling Run Trail. State game lands off of Stony Creek. Going for a hike. Some elevation coming up. I think this is 4 miles out and back. Not 100%. But so far it's nice. Who's familiar with Stony Creek, the rail trail that everyone mountain bikes on? This is kind of similar with this packed gravel. And anyone else who's familiar with Stony Creek will also know there's generally lots of copperheads there. We haven't seen any today, but it could be just because it's a little bit cooler out. But we are definitely hoping to see one. This was a first for us. We just saw a porcupine, and about 30 minutes before we saw it, we ran into this guy that was running down as we were coming up, and he told us there was a porcupine, and then it ran off into the woods. So we were looking for it, didn't see it, and we just encountered it.